For people living in dense urban areas, social distancing has been difficult. For those who live in New York City Housing Authority buildings, it's been near impossible.
With the people being on top of each other, it's definitely a lot of stress.
Jermont Shim lives in NYCHA housing in Bushwick. He says trying to navigate living on the 12th floor with an elevator that hardly works and keeping himself away from neighbors has been a vicious cycle.
You can't be accompanied by anybody. You have to have social distance. So how do you help a mother downstairs from 11th floor?
We reached out to NYCHA about several concerns raised by residents during the pandemic, the most obvious being sanitation. In a statement, the Housing Authority said it would be sanitizing family buildings 3 times a week and senior buildings 5 times a week, as well as cleaning all high traffic and common areas.
It's additionally isolating to be living in this environment, in an environment that at the time being doesn't necessarily feel like it is safe.
Wandy Felicito Ortiz is a producer at Currents News and lives in NYCHA housing. She says she hasn't seen any extra cleaning efforts since the coronavirus outbreak.
I haven't really seen anybody wipe down things like the mailboxes, which my apartment's right next to, any banisters. I haven't seen any special kind of cleaning fluids.
As for rent, NYCHA says it's doing everything it can to work with residents who are now unemployed or have had their hours cut. According to the Housing Authority, evictions are suspended for as long as the city is under a state of emergency. As for after that, NYCHA residents are able to file an interim recertification to lower their rent based on their changed income or apply for one-time assistance. Yet residents say there's still so much uncertainty.
They have a lot of questions, but no answers on anybody helping us with the rent.
Not knowing your housing situation or how to get in contact with somebody, but especially for senior citizens who are already disconnected in that way, I think it's unjust.
Jessica Easthope, Currents News.
If you're watching Currents News on YouTube, be sure to hit the subscribe button and then click on the bell to get instant updates about all of our newest content, because we are putting your faith in the news.